You are looking at an ultraviolet lamp manufactured by us, designed to replace Wedeco NLR1845 lamps in Bactericidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz UV lamp. Labeling options are listed on her page on the website. The bulbs are 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. The power is 40 watts. Operating current 0.7 A. The power of VF radiation is 16 W. Dimensions. The length of the lamps is 525 mm. Arc length 450 mm. The diameter of the tube is 18 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 23 mm. Service life 16,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement for any damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of germicidal systems. Lamps, quartz covers, fruiting, seals and connectors. The inner surface of all our lamps is coated with a special EVL Live Power Plus compound developed by our engineers. It prevents the 2C molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the effective life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.